my license.
2 more.
Well, 2 more days.
Okay.
So,
How's my park doing?
Great. We're up 2.5% over last year, a bit lower than our initial projection.
No. How is it doing? Are the guests having fun? Are the animals enjoying life?
Well, guest satisfaction is steady in the low 90s. We don't have a way to measure the animals' emotional experience.
Sure you do. You can see in their eyes, right?
Of course.
Okay. Now show me my new dinosaur.
got it.
You look tense, Claire.
Maybe you should just focus on the controls.
The key to a happy life is to accept you are never actually in control. You should spend a day at the beach, get some sun.
Right. So marketing thought we could offset some of the costs by
Enough
selling.
about cost. John Hammond entrusted me with his dying wish, and not once did he mention profit. Spare no expense, he used to
I
say.
appreciate that, but the reality of operating a theme park requires.
Don't forget why we built this place, Claire. Jurassic World exists to remind us how very small we are, how new. You can't put a price on that. Now, please,
We're flying.
breathe.
Is he okay? Are you okay?
Oh, he's just being dramatic.